Hi, and I'm Kieran Murphy, and I wanted to give you a little background about myself. So when I want to learn a new topic, then I want to know who's given the training. So my degree is in electronic engineering, and I traveled the world when I was young with this qualification. But the stock markets were my passion and my hobby. I was always reading and researching stocks, especially US stocks. Then the internet changed everything, and I was able to trade online. So I decided then that I wanted to become a stockbroker. So I took my exams and I joined a stockbroking house here in Dublin in the 90s. And I worked there and also on the floor of the Irish Stock Exchange. It was pretty exciting. I was also heavily into algo trading, especially the maths behind it. I spent over 3 years then trying to develop algos that would give us an edge in the markets. So I've done it all in terms of investing, investing versus day trading, technical analysis versus fundamentals, growth versus income, algos versus manual trading, stocks versus forex, you name it, I've done it. Which is why I know what works and what doesn't. That's key. I have such extensive knowledge that I was approached then by one of the leading universities in Europe, Trinity College, and I was a guest lecturer for over 10 years where I taught alternative investing and trading to the master's course. So I picked up a lot of teaching skills doing that. So now I'm going to combine my vast experience in the stock markets with my teaching skills to bring UFW to light. I'm super excited about this part of my career, and I'm learning new skills all the time also, like doing these videos, for example. So I look forward to meeting you on our common journey. I hope to share a lot of my knowledge with you, so I look forward to meeting you at one of our events. Thanks for stopping by, and remember, financial freedom is a choice, not a secret.